Alright, so I hear you want to do some handstands. You come to the right place because I'm the handstand man. So check it out. Alright, this video is for someone who can do a pretty decent handstand. And when I say pretty decent, that means you can get up without flopping over. You can hold it for about 5 seconds, maybe 10 seconds. And you're getting better. You can do handstand walks and walk around. This video's for you. But if you don't have the strength to even hold yourself up against the wall, this is not the video for you. If you try to get up and you flop over, definitely not the video for you. I'll make a video for that to build you up so you can do that. All right, so check it out and we'll get to it. All right, when doing a handstand, your hands are going to simulate what your feet do when you're off balance. Okay, so that's the main thing that you have to focus on. In a scenario, you're standing up and you're getting pushed back. I plant my heels and I keep myself from falling backwards. Now on the opposite side, if I'm standing forward and I'm get pushed forward, but I push with my toes to keep me from falling over. So that's the exact same thing you're gonna do when doing a handstand. You use your fingers are like your toes and your palms are like your heels. All right, so remember, your hands are like your feet. Fingertips, palms, toes, heel, toes, heel. Same thing. When you're gonna fall over, you plant your fingertips. If you feel you're gonna fall back into the start position, relax your fingertips, plant your palms. This trick will help you. Trust me, it will help you. Once you figure this out, it might not be something that you kind of think about, but once I figured this out, I can just hold it for a very, very long time. So check it out. So here we go. I'm going to do a handstand. Pay attention to the fingertips, the palms, the whole thing, and I hope this helps you. It should. If you pay attention to me. You need to pay attention. So I'm up. If you pay attention to my fingertips, I'm flexing them, starting to go over, relaxing them, bring me back to the middle. And then you could just hold it forever. Not forever, but you know. And when you get really strong, you come down and do one of these, and then come back up. And then you can get there too. I can show you how to do that. So that is a technique that will help you get your handstand holds hooked up. You find that sweet spot, and you just keep doing it till you get it, and then I promise you, you will be holding handstands for a long time. You know, hopefully this trick helps you. It should. It helped me a lot. Once I learned this little move, that's it. It was game over. I can hold it for minutes, and I can do it on anything. So once you get this down, then you can start practicing on things a little bit, you know, a little bit more advanced, maybe like on a table, on a bench, on a chair, on a rock. You know, the options are endless, and it's a lot of fun, but you have to practice every day. So I'm also going to make a video on how to begin to start doing handstands, because it is a lot of fun. It looks super cool. So check it out and like it and all that good stuff. All right, later.